What's the meaning of canon? Canon. Canon.
Canon. Canon. The word canon can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, canon refers to a set of rules, principles, or standards that are widely accepted and recognized as authoritative in a particular field or discipline. In literature, for example, canon may refer to a group of works that are deemed important and influential in a particular genre or period. Similarly, in religion, canon may refer to a set of official texts or scriptures that are considered sacred and binding. In short, canon represents a body of knowledge or beliefs that carries significant weight and is respected by a particular community.